Apple raises past 4 trillion market value as the latest models revitalize iPhone sales. Apple topped its 4 trillion in market value for the first time on Tuesday, the third big tech company to hit the milestone as a robust demand for the latest iPhone models allied fear over its slow progress in the AI race. Apple shares have gained about 30% since the new launches on September 9 in a remarkable turnaround. The pushed the stock into positive territory of the first time this year. The iPhone account for over half of Apple profits and revenue, and more phones they can get into the hands of people, and more they can drive people into their ecosystem, said Crisis Zachariel, Chief Investment Officer for the Northline Assist Management ahead of the milestone. Apple shares had struggled earlier this year on concern over tough competition in China and uncertainties around how the company would navigate high US tariffs on Asian economies such as China and India, its major manufacturing hubs. The latest smartphone, including the iPhone 17 lineup and the iPhone Air, moved back customers from Beijing to Moscow within the first few weeks of the launch. While the company had swallowed the high cost from the tariffs, analysts said the iPhone Air slim design could help fend off rivals such as Samsung Electronics, while early sales of the iPhone 17 outperformed its predecessor by the 40% in the US and China, data from the research firm Counterpoint showed. Brokerage Everscore ISI expects the strong demand for Apple's latest iPhone to help it surpass market expectations for the 3-month period ending in September and issue a beat forecast for the quarter ending in December. Apple is the third company to hit the 4 trillion mark after Nvidia and the Microsoft. Nvidia currently tops the table with a market value of more than 4.5 trillions. Apple cautions approach to AI. AI had fueled concern it could lose out on what would be the industry's biggest growth catalyst in the decade. Recently, reports also indicate that the company is losing a number of its senior artificial intelligence executives to Meta. The company was slow to roll out its Apple Intelligence suites, including ChatGPT integration, while an AI upgrade to its voice assistants Siri has been delayed until the next year. Apple has explored several tie-ups with the Alphabet Gemini AI, Anthropic, and the OpenAI. According to the report, the lack of as well understood artificial intelligence strategy is clearly one of the thing is an overhang for the stock if they could figure out how to incorporate artificial intelligence in a way that would excite consumers and the market. You will see the whole differentiates company, Zachary Creeley said. Apple reported its strongest quarterly results in a year during the April-June period with a double-digit growth. Across key segments, its forecasts were better than analyst expectations. The company is expected to announce fourth quarter result on October 13. The iPhone market shares trade at 33.2 times its earning projected for the next 12 months, higher than the 27.42 Nasdaq 100 according to the data compiled by the LSEG. Apple shares had gained more than 7% this year, widely underperforming the tech-heavy and Nasdaq about 22% of the gain. As AI retros text maps, India's IT gains face unfair VC-backed rivals. Indian IT companies Apple seeks to end Apple Pay trade secretly lawsuits. Apple urged to federal judge to dismiss a racketeering lawsuit by a company that accused the iPhone maker of stealing its technology to create the lucrative mobile wallet Apple Pay. In Monday night filing in Atlanta federal court, Apple said its case is not dismissed; it should be transferred to the Texas judge who recently dismissed its related parent case. Lawyer for Fintuve did not immediately respond on Tuesday for request for the comment. Fintuve, based in Austin, Texas, accused Apple misappropriating technology for Apple Pay that it had once sought to the license from the Corefire, a Georgia company that Fintuve bought in 2014. Apple Pay is used to in hundreds of millions of iPhones, iPad, Apple Watches, and the MacBooks. Fintuve said that the racketeering across from the Apple use of Apple Pay to generate fees for credit card issues such as Bank of America, Capital One, Citigroup, JP Morgan, Chase, and Wells Fargo, and payment networks American Express, Mastercard, and Visa. Hope so, guys. You like the video. If you like the video, then hit the and subscribe button and like button. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.